This is Miss Christie. We're going to go over how to do graded assignment 2.06. Okay, we're going to do it step by step because when I started grading them, I had lots of you guys that had a lot of questions about it and a lot of submissions that were not submitted correctly. So let's just jump right into it here. Okay, so you're going to go and you see on the left hand side when you scroll down 2.06 graded assignment, which is due October 7th. We're going to click onto that, and it says, hello class, it's very important that you watch the video. If you don't know how to submit your graded assignment, please watch the first video, then submit your assignment. I had several of you that did not watch the video, so we're going to do it like this. You can click onto this one, or you can click onto the other one. So this is the materials that'll jump you right into it, all right? So let's just go ahead and jump into it. And right here, you've already watched the video. If I do this, you've already watched the video, right? All right, so we're going to click on to 2.06 graded assignment. And right here, it'll pop up where you can leave a comment for me. After you've done that, you can record a video, an audio, or you can add a file. So it says show assignment information. If you do that, then it'll pop up that video again. If you go, oh man, I forgot I didn't watch the assignment. You click onto there, you see where the file comes up. Now this is where it gets a little hairy and a little tricky, right? If you didn't watch the video, but here we're going to go through it step by step. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to scroll your gray bar up here and you're going to click onto the desktop. Double click it, and you're going to find where your folder is for this class because you have set up your folders on your desktop for this class, right? Computer Literacy, Miss Krista Dulu. Here's ELA, Miss Newman, or whoever your teachers are, because you have folders on your desktop. And now I double clicked it, and this is Unit 2 because I have folders inside of that folder for each one of my courses, Unit 2. So I'm going to double click there. If you do not know how to make folders, you right click the mouse and scroll down and make new folder. Okay, that's how you make folders. So I've already done one in here before. So you left click, make that blue, and you rename your folder. You rename your file. So I'm going to rename this file again, 2.06. Obviously, you see I've done it before. I'll put 2.06 underscore Kelly Krista Dulu. We'll call this one Krista Dulu, okay? Underscore the internet. All right? Then you're going to hit save. All right, so now it is saved. Hopefully I can get under there. You're going to go down to your left-hand side of your screen, and it's going to pull it up, and it's going to open it up. Now you're going to hit Enable Editing. And now it opens up a Word document that you can edit. Okay, so you're going to put your name right here, Kelly Krista Dulu, and we're going to put the date, 0. See, sometimes that's a little too far off there because they didn't leave space. This is not a very good edited document. We don't, okay, so we can put the date here, 10/04/2019. Okay, select a topic that you might need to research for a school project. Some examples include amphibian, Korean War, respiratory, nuclear power, recycling. Okay, so now we're going to think of a topic. Do you have your topic? So I'm going to think of a topic. Good. Next, plan a keyword search using the new strategies, including Boolean operators. You learned about this in the lesson, so you will have needed to have read the lesson before you've done this. Then search the internet for information about your topic and answer the following questions. List at least 3 search strategies you used in your search. So, what are the 3 strategies that you used in your search? So, one of the strategies that you may have used in your search would have been, like they just said, Boolean cubes. So you used and, or, and both, right? So those are your Boolean operators that you could have used, right? During your search. And then what else, where else did you, or that was a strategy. And then another strategy that you could have used would have been going to, the second largest search engine would maybe be YouTube, right? Some of y'all said YouTube, maybe. And then I'm not going to do another one because I want you to look and tell me what another search engine would be. So I'm going to leave that there, or what another search would be. Okay, let's go on to number 2. Oh, backspace. Record the results of your online search. Describe the types of information you found about your topic on the internet. So you're going to go ahead and search what you found about your topic on the internet. Now, how are you going to do that? You're going to go over to your internet, and I'm going to show you a really nifty tool here, okay? This is going to save you a lot of time. If you go down to this gray part right here and you right click, show windows side by side. Now, you can actually show your windows side by side. So you could be typing over here inside of your document, and then over here you can move all your windows all over the place. Here we go. So over here you could go here. See how easy this is? Yes, this is so easy. So you could go over here and say I was looking up, oh wait a minute, hold on, South Carolina, and I typed enter. What did I find? I'm always going to say South Carolina because what are the best places to live in South Carolina? Charleston! Awesome. So I'm going to put, I learned that I am a terrible speller. Charleston is one of the best places to live. And obviously I'm going to check that source out and make sure that's true, but I'm just showing you that for now, okay? Myrtle Beach, which is where I'm from, Florence, Spartanburg. I went to the University of South Carolina. You can find out all this stuff, right? Okay. So, number 3, evaluate and if you need more space, you can do it over here. There you go. Evaluate, and then you can move this over a little bit. Evaluate the effectiveness of using Boolean operators and how using and, or not, which are the Boolean the Boolean operators. I put and, or both. You can use not too. There's quite a few. Impact the results of your search. Which combination of those terms worked best? Why do you think that combination worked so well? So you have to test these out. So if I did the South Carolina, you're going to do South Carolina and whatever else you decided to look up. So maybe it was South Carolina and beaches. Okay, so what was the effectiveness of South Carolina and beaches? And you need to let me know how it was. Or then you're going to do South Carolina or beaches. And you're going to look that up and tell me how that did. South Carolina, not beaches, and tell me how that did. So that is how you're going to use those Boolean searches and tell me how you did. Now, you're going to go down. Here's your rubric right here. And the rubric, if you want the most points, you're going to answer all of this. Not just, I don't know how to do it. I don't know how it worked. Don't tell me that, because you're going to get a 1, okay? You're going to get a 1. Now, while I'm in here, I'm going to show you something really cool. If you have a microphone, I use this myself because I'm taking a doctorate program right now. You can dictate in here, and it will dictate for you. And it is really, really cool. So if you click dictate, I'm not going to do this right now because I'm on my mic for my thing. It will dictate for you, okay? So you can use all these tools to help you out. Use the tools that we have, guys. Don't work so hard. Let technology work for you, okay? Please let technology work for you. Okay, so let's just say we filled all that out, all right? And now what we have to do is, and you're going to say, well, how do I get back to the way I need to? I don't like this now. I'm ready to fix it. So what you do is you're going to go and you're going to do undo show all windows side by side, and it'll take you back, okay? So now you're going to go back up here, File, Save, okay? And now it's saved. If you wanted to save it as something else, then you were going to save it as something else. So just exit out of it. Okay, exit out of it. Okay, and now I'm going to go back over here. Now you're ready to submit. Submit. Add file. So you're going to add the file. You're going to go to your computer. I thought I was going to make that a little bit bigger. You're going to upload it, and you know where it is now because you put it in that folder. So you got to go over here and look for your class, Miss Krista Dulu's class, Computer Literacy, Miss Krista Dulu, Unit 2, the Internet, open, and then there it is. And then you're going to hit add. There you go. And you can put a comment in there too. Hi, Miss Christy. I am submitting my work, or whatever. If you had a problem with something, you can let me know if you had a problem with something. And I read everything, guys. I really, really do. Okay, and then you hit submit. Then you hit submit. I'm not going to submit that, but then you hit submit, okay? So that is how you do it. All right, guys, that's how you do it. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to stop this video, and then I'm going to send it out to you, okay? Y'all have a good weekend. Bye.